Hi everyone, so in this session we will learn about how you can paint the 3D texture and how you can just put the texture over here with the help of Maya. So I am in Maya 2018, so at first I will just select the model and just go to the edit, and here we have the delete by type history. So I will clean up its history at first, and then I will select the model, right click, and here you have the assign new material, and here we will go to the Lambert. So that thing has been assigned, and now what I will do, I will just press 3 for subdivision access, or even you can go to 1, and after that we'll just go to the rendering tab. As you can see, we are in rendering tab, and at first we'll go to texturing. Here you have the 3D paint tool, so I will click over here, and as you can see we have this painting which is not applying any model. That means just go down and have the assign edit texture, click over here. Its size is which we have taken to 2048, and this is in a square. Okay, so assign and edit texture. Okay, fine. And as you can see, if I just paint, it will just allow me to paint in the model. So that's the main thing. If you press 3, subdivision access happens, so no worry about the same. What I will do, I will just paint some textures over here. So let's start. So I will just click over the color and just paint somehow a little bit of pinkish like this one. And what I will do now, I will just press P and hold my left mouse button and just increase the size. So I will just paint like this at first. As you can see, if the model is being separated from each other, then that means you have to just select that model, same, go to texture and 3D paint tool. After that, when you apply the same, it will just affect your model. Okay. If your UV is not being opened, it will produce some amount of problem, as you can see here. So you have to just keep on just dragging your brush, then it will be short outed. But make sure that whenever you're working in any of the file, you should have to open the UV at first, because you know how to open the UV. And as you can see, we have just painted the texture over here. Each and every part is kept painted. And now we'll just press V and just drag your left mouse button to decrease the size. What I will do, I will just go here and have this particular one. So here we have a different things, like whatever you wanna just make, you can definitely, you have to just go through the same and just pick any of them. So I'm picking this one, and this is the flower. So I just click over here, and as you can see, the opacity is 100%, which is 1.0. Okay, I will just put some amount of flower here and we'll later change it. Okay, we'll put some amount of random flower like this. So I will just put it only like this way, and it's producing some amount of seams here, no problem. So like this flower I have just put it, and after that I will just go to the top, click over here and have some different material. So I will go to the flower again. There's some sort of flower mesh also, which is just at your screen. So you have this flower, so you can put it anything if you want to put. That means if you just want to put that thing, you can just click like this. Definitely it will just allow you to just put on your model. So as you can see, the part which is not been opened, the UV, it's getting filled out. That means the opening of the UV is very important. So I'll just put like this. Okay, no problem. You have to open the UV at first, then you can just work for the same like this way. And for this I can use the simple texture, and as you can see, there is a strip line. So I will just go to the brush again, click over here and just go to the little bit of darken blue. I have to define the shape, so I will just select the hard brush, and now what I will do, manually I will just go to P and just drag this down, and I think this will fit fine. Press 6 and we'll just drag like this and just paint through the same. Okay, So I've just painted this part, which is the rough part. You can just paint well with the help of a proper UV open, and then you don't have this amount of problem which we are facing here. So as you can see here also we have some problem. You can just do it well. Click over here. If you need to add the color, click, and that color has been added. You can just drag it like this and just press B, and at first just increase the size. Just drag it like this. Definitely gonna work. As you can see, you have to keep on painting like click and click. That would be applicable. If you want to just paint in this part, you can have to paint, and for this part also you just go to color and just go to that particular color and just click over here, click here, somehow here, and just press B and just drag it down. You can just paint like this. So if you open the UV, as you see there is a problem here. You have to just click and click, then you don't have to find this type of problem which is facing right now. Okay, and painted this color, and you can also paint this one. With the help of painting, you can just achieve a good result, and with the help of a simple, you can say simple modification of your brush, you can have a good. As you can see here, we have the clone and blur and all. So as you can click over the blur, you can blur this out easily. So we have discussed this in previous session. So you can just blur this out easily, and you can work quite well with the help of the modification which we are having here. So with the help of these common features, you can just do it well. So hope you understand this, the concept of just painting. If you want to just select any other model, just select that model and do one more thing. Right click, assign new material, and Lambert again. So later to be separated, that would be fine. Texture and 3D paint, click over here and same what we have did it, click, and it's not applying. If you go out, it will just stop because we have applied this one to here. And after that, just go to assign edit texture, same edit texture, and now you can have the freedom to just a proper painting in your model, and you can achieve a good result with simple painting inside Maya application. So let's meet to the next session.